Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with a very simple design for beginners in this 8-inch board. Let me dot in the center with pearl grey. Let me keep some dots in jade green. Let me keep some dots in spring green. Let me keep some tiny dots in spring green. Let me keep some dots in jade green now. I'll do tiny dotting in jade green. I'll keep some pearl grey dots. I'll do tiny dotting in grey. Let me keep some plumpy dots in grey. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some jade green dots. I'll work the dots in jade green now. I'll keep some brush strokes in spring green. I'll keep some brush strokes in jade green. I'll keep some brush strokes in grey. I'll keep some brush strokes in jade green. I'll keep some dots in spring green. I'll keep some pearl grey dots. I'll make the dots into swipes now. I'm sure the usage of grey has brought a kind of a calming effect to this dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.